want to see tarmac roads in counties, Mr. Speaker. It cannot be that every time we send money, we increase resources, the only language governors will tell you that we have opened roads, that we have put some maram. If national government is tarmacking, Mr. Speaker, why can't governors also tarmac our roads, Mr. Speaker? 428 billion is not pocket money. It's not just pocket money. That's a lot of money, Mr. Speaker. We need to see some changes at our counties, Mr. Speaker. How can you be maraming roads day in, day out? The road heading to my home, Tinga, Igenaitambe, was marammed last year. This year again, you look at the public accounts reports, you will see another report that that same road has been marammed again. When you ask, you are told, oh, you know, it rained, the maram was swept. That's not the way we run a country, Mr. Speaker.